You've been thinking about making that lifestyle change? Well, it's time. It's time to do all of your living on one level without having to sacrifice on square footage.
It's time to start your day the right way from the moment you open your eyes, taking in one of the most breathtaking views this city has to offer.
It's time to put away the lawnmower and the snow shovel and step into maintenance-free outdoor living.
And it's time to leave not one, but 2 cars in the underground parking and embrace the walkability of all of the amenities that Barrie's waterfront has to offer.
So you're ready to make a change. You're ready to get rid of those stairs, you're ready to get rid of the maintenance and step into something that truly allows you to live that lifestyle you're looking to do. Go out and travel the world and come back to a special place that truly feels like home. Well, I can promise you the condo we have today will accomplish exactly that. With nearly 1,900 square feet here, you do not have to sacrifice on anything. But before we get into this beautiful space, let's talk a little bit more about what makes this location so special.
Living on Barrie's waterfront is exactly what you have been dreaming of. We are located central in the city of Barrie, directly between the Allendale GO station on one end and downtown city of Barrie on the other, which makes this location incredibly walkable. Whether you want to head into the GO train and off into the city of Toronto, that's at your fingertips. Whether you want to walk into downtown Barrie to some of the incredible shops or restaurants, that is right at your fingertips. And this is also a recreational hub. You got incredible hiking, walking, and biking trails. Just picture yourself taking the dog for a walk along this boardwalk, or taking the grandkids to Centennial Beach across the road, or down to one of the best parks the city of Barrie has to offer. Or for all you boaters out there, the city of Barrie Marina is right across the road. You can see the slips right from this very suite. It doesn't get much better than that. Now let's go explore this incredible floor plan.
Welcome back inside. Now when it comes to floor plans, it truly doesn't get much better than the Grand Cayman at Nautica condominiums, and that's exactly what we're standing in currently. That's because this unit spans nearly 1,900 square feet, as I mentioned earlier, and you pick up some important must-haves so that you don't have to feel like you're downsizing moving into a condo. I'm talking about this massive formal living room, as well as space for formal dining, an oversized kitchen with tons of storage and 9-foot ceilings, and we're just getting started.
Now this is a kitchen that's gonna make you feel right at home. It was completely renovated just 3 years ago, so it's got all the features that I know you're looking for. I'm talking the quartz countertops, the raised breakfast bar, you've got an undermount sink, and a beautiful tile backsplash, not to mention all the custom cabinetry you see in behind me here. But let's get granular on these details. We've got pots and pans drawers, you've got a full pantry, all with pull-out sliders as well. There is a tremendous amount of storage in this kitchen. Now I know what you're thinking, hey, my kitchen's got all that too. Maybe it does, but I can guarantee you what your kitchen doesn't have is this unbelievable wall-to-wall view of Lake Simcoe right from your very own sink.
One of my favorite things about this unit has to be the floor plan. It's because of how private and separate the bedrooms are. At one wing of this condo, you have the guest bedroom with its own bathroom. And then on this wing, you have this incredible primary that I'm standing in right now with absolutely breathtaking views directly out your window and straight up Kempenfelt Bay. And you pick up some important must-haves here. I'm talking about a walk-in closet, tons of storage, and a breathtaking 5-piece ensuite.
Now let's explore what's offered within the building itself, something a little bit outside of the suite that we just toured. We've got some of the most incredible amenities inside Nautica condominiums right here. It's got all the must-haves that you'd be looking for, from the pool, the hot tub, and the saunas. We've got an incredible games room, not to mention a party room that is unlike any other, which is where we're sitting right now. It's got the capacity of over 100 people. You're hosting weddings in a space like this, and it is right down here within the building, all at your fingertips. Then we've got into a little bit more of the granular things. Of course, our fitness facility. We've got the library. We got 2 guest suites as well. Just a list that goes on and on for all the extracurricular activities you're looking for. But all of that would be for naught if you didn't have an incredible community to come along with it. And within this building, I've never seen a social scene as robust as what they offer here at Nautica.
That's right, Scotty. This one truly has it all. Now let's do a high-level recap here of what we've seen today. We are in one of the best waterfront buildings in all of Barrie. We have arguably the best floor plan located directly on the center front of the building looking up Kempenfelt Bay. And an important must-have here as well, we have 2-car parking. So again, for all you downsizers, there's really no sacrificing here at all. It's time. It's time to give us a call on this unit and come and check it out today. Now, we are the Knowles Woolsey team, and we certainly know waterfront Barrie condos. For more information on this incredible listing and others, check out our website.